message with information about a watch or warning would follow.
What was that for?
Tests of these systems are normally conducted by the National Weather Service between 11 a.m. and noon each Wednesday. If there is a threat of severe weather, the test may be postponed until the next good weather day. Repeating, this was a test of the specific area message encoded in storm alert systems. Here is the latest National Weather Service forecast for Cary, Cumberland, Dauphin, and Lebanon counties, including Harrisburg. Rest of today.
The National Weather Service has just activated the warning alarm as a test. During dangerous weather situations, the specially built radios are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the warning alarm tone are normally conducted at this time every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If severe weather threatens the area near the normal test time, the test will be postponed until the first good weather day. This warning alarm tone will be activated for watches, warnings, and selective statements affecting specific counties based on the transmitter you are listening to. For exact coverage areas, please check our internet homepage. Receipt of the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location, especially at greater distances from the transmitter and in large buildings. This concludes the weekly warning alarm test. We now return to our normally scheduled programming.
Whoa, Forest City? Come on, shut up, shut up. Shut up.
Weather radio all hazard warning system in cooperation with the emergency alert system. Tests of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and at 7 p.m. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available weather day. The alarm tone will activate for severe weather and other life-threatening emergency messages for the following 14 transmitters and associated broadcast areas. WXL 57 WXL 7 WNG 730 Edmund Cat 565 Atlanta, WNG 666 at Iowa Falls, WNG 668 at Denison, WNG 688 at Ringston, KJY 63 at Forest City. For a detailed listing of what counties are served by each transmitter, please visit the No Weather Radio section of our website at www.weather.com. Once again, please visit the No Weather section at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming.
I can't believe it. I got it on. So, we just got it. Success. Oh well. Piece of shit, G-Storm. Piece of shit, G-Storm.
Matana reported it. Terrain dangerous. Service in Chanhassen every Wednesday at 1 p.m. We postponed.
Okay, that G-Storm was such a piece of shit. So I don't get it, guys.